Today, let's test some AI image generators and have a little bit of fun with our prompting as well. Text-to-image generators take your descriptions and turn them into visually striking images. This works great for straightforward descriptions like a tabby cat, a pink frog, a wizard, riding a unicycle, on a beach, juggling rubber ducks. But not everything we say is so literal. An idiom is a colorful phrase where the meaning goes deeper than the words. For example, when pigs fly doesn't actually involve airborne swine. It means when hell freezes over. Impossible. Never gonna happen. Flying pigs and doomed snowmen are just more colorful. Idioms add spice to language. So today, let's see what popular AI image generators make of these nonsensical English metaphors. I'll show you the images first, and you guess the common idiom I used for the prompt. Today I'm testing Midjourney, Dall-e 3, Firefly, and Leonardo AI. Some AIs emphasized visuals over figurative meaning, and some AIs completely missed the mark, in hilarious ways. Midjourney always made beautiful images, but often missed the point of the idiom. Other AI, like Dall-e 3, more often captured the essence of the idiom. If you enjoyed this fun test of AI comprehension, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Share your most on-point or bizarre idiom prompt in the comments below. This is Jen at Making the Photo. Let's make something amazing together.